Good morning, everyone. I am CARL VINCENT ADHAY, and I will be your statistician for today's video. So, there's a problem of our researcher that we need to identify by follow-up questions. So, let me read the problem first. So, here's the problem. A researcher wants to analyze the relationship between the number of hours students spend in a tutoring program and their subsequent improvement in a specific subject. The researcher collects data from each student and records the number of tutoring hours and the corresponding improvement scores. The data is as follows. Source the data: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 8 students. Their data, tutoring hours, the independent or X, is 6, 4, 8, 5, 7, 3, 5, 4. The Y, which is the dependent one, improvement score, is 70, 60, 80, 65, 75, 55, 68, and 62. So we're going to answer the follow-up question. But before that, we need to solve it by regression analysis formula, enable to answer the follow-up questions. So here's the X and Y. I already write it in here. So here's the X and Y. As I said, the RX is the how long the students study, while the Y is the possibility or probability that they will get that score if they study how long they are in X. Okay, to prove that, we should identify what is that. So first, we're going to identify what is X minus X mean. But before we able to find what is X bar, we need to add all of the X and divide it into 8, or how many the student has been recorded. So let's add 6 plus 6 plus 4 plus 8 plus 7, and then no, plus 5 plus 7 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4 is equal to 42. Then divide 8 is equal to 5.25. So ayan, X natin, ang X mean mean of X, ayan, mean of X natin mean of X natin is 5.25. Ayan. And we're going to add then the Y. Kasi kailangan na natin kunin yung mean yan. Kasi kailangan din natin kunin yung Y minus Y bar niya. So we're going to add all of the Y. 70 plus 60 plus 80 plus 65 plus 75 plus 55 plus 68 plus 62. Then, let's divide it into 8. By the way, the result, if you add all of the Y, will be 535. And if you divide it in 8, the result will be 66.875. So, ayan. Mean of Y is 66.875. Ayan. So now we're going to identify what are their X minus X bar. So in able to get that, kailangan natin i-minus yung mga variable, yung mga numbers ng x into mean of x natin. So, let's do it. 6 minus 5.25 is equal to 0.75. 0.75. Next is 4 minus 5.25. 4 minus 5.25 is equal to negative 1.25. Negative 1.25. Next is 8 minus 5.25. 8 minus 5.25 is equal to 2.75. 2.75. Next is the 5. Is it's negative 0.5. Negative 0.25. Next is the 7. 7 minus 5.25 is equal to 1.75. 0.75. Next is the 3. 3 minus 5.25 is negative 2.25. Negative 2.25. And the next is 5 again. Same answer, 0.25 din. Pero negative siya, negative 0.25. The next is, the last one is 4. Negative 1.25. Yan. Nabuo na natin lahat ng nito. Lahat ng mga kailangan dito. So, antay lang natin ng konti. Ayan. So, ayan na yung value ng x minus x bar natin. Ang sunod naman na kukunin natin is yung y. Y minus y bar. So, ayan. Y. Let's zoom it para makapagsulat tayo maayos. Y minus y bar. Y bar. Ayan. Next is the text. So, ganun din ang gagawin natin as usual. I-minus natin yung lahat ng y numbers natin into mean of y. So, 70 minus 6.875 is equal to 3.125. 3.125. Ayan. Next is the negative 1.25. No. 60 minus 66.875 is equal to 6.875. 6.875. And next is the 80. 80 minus 66.875 is equal to 13.125. 13.125. Next is the 65. Sagot is negative 1.875. Negative 1.875. Next is, ayan, negative 1.65 na yung kanina. So, 75 na tayo ngayon. 7, ay mali, di pala, 75 minus 66.87. So the answer is 8.125. 8.125. Next is 55. The answer is will be 11.875. Oops, ayan. And then next is 68. 1 point, ano siya, 1.125. Next is 62. Um, magiging sagot is 4.875. So, here's the answer. Ayan. Ayan na yung y of ining y natin. Y minus y bar. So, let's move on to another, ano na, another stage or another part of this calculation and solving. So, we're going to find the x minus x bar times y minus y bar. So, in able to get those value, we need to multiply the x minus x bar into y minus y bar. So, ayan. I-times na natin. Balik tayo doon. Wait, let's make, ayan, brush x minus x bar and y bar. Iitan pa natin. Para may space pa yan. Ayan. Para hindi na tayo magsulat mamaya, sulat na natin yung susunod nating kasi yun yung pinaka-last. Yung x minus x bar squared. Ayan. Ayan. Let's back to our lesson. To our presentation. So, tulad ka na sinabi ko, ipagta-times na natin yung x minus x bar sa y minus y bar. So, 0.75 times 3.125 is equal to 2.34375. Yan. 2.34375. Next is the negative 1 times 6.875 negative 1.25. So, ayan. The answer will be negative pa talaga yun. Parang may ako dito. Oh, so wait lang. Parang may mali tayo. Yung 6 natin wala siyang negative. I forgot to lagyan. So we're going to give it a negative. Kasi hindi siya magpa-positive pag hindi natin siya linagyan. Kasi positive times positive will be, negative times negative will be positive. So, sagot nito natin dito kaya ganon is 8.975. Correct? 59375. So next is the 2.75 times 13.125 is equal to 36. 36.0937.5. And next is negative 0.25 times negative 1.875. 11 nalagay ko. So, ayan. Answer is 0.46875. 0.46875. Next is the 175. 1.75 times 8.125. 14.21875. Next is the 11. Negative 11 times hindi, negative 2.25 times negative 11.875. So, ayan. The answer will be 26.71875. Then next is negative 0.25 times 1.125 will be negative yan. Kasi why? Kasi pag times natin ang dalawang different symbol like positive and negative, it will be resolved to negative. Pag dalawa naman positive or negative, mag-equal siya sa positive. So, ang nangyari dito is negative times positive, kaya maging sign natin is negative. So, ang answer is negative 0.28125. 0.28125. And the last one is negative 1.25 times negative 4.875 is 6.09375. 0.09375. So, ayan. Ito na yung value natin dito sa pinag-times natin na x minus x bar and y minus y bar. Now, let's identify the square root of x minus x bar. I know na marunong naman tayo mag-square, di ba? So, ayan. I-squared lang natin, ita-times lang natin sa sarili niya yung x minus x bar. So, let's start from 0.75. 0.75 times 0.75 is equal to 0.5625. 0.5625. Ay, 0.56 56.25. Ayan, 0. So, para matapos na tayo agad, isosolve ko na lang siya without saying the answer or how did I solve it. Kasi baka matagalan tayo dito. Hindi siya kakabuti ng screen record ko. Yan, post muna natin. Tapos dun tayo magkita sa second.